Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Wanted to share some information on using live streams to get monetized on YouTube. Just the other day, I went live and I just wanted to give you some food for thought as to how live streaming can get you monetized on YouTube and how it can help you like grow your channel and get you to your 4,000 watch hours. So it's a little bit of a different video. I thought I'd share my analytics. They're fresh off the press for this most recent live, but I think you'll find this interesting. And if you're on the fence about whether you should go live or not, hopefully this will be some encouraging news for you. So on your, this isn't just plain old YouTube Studio. This is YouTube Studio and you access it. It's the desktop version. So be sure that you're on the desktop version. And what you would do is you would go here to the third button down, and that's your channel analytics. And then make sure here that you click on advanced mode. Now, I think on my live, I did not enter this other button, which is to look at beyond the 28 days. We're going to look at the lifetime of these analytics. And then, and I apologize because I don't know how to do screencast yet, so we're just taping this. So under content, you're going to check the views here. Watch time hours. Oh, and I forgot. Let's see if we can filter this by content type. We're just going to look at the live stream. Okay. And then right now we're looking at the previous lives. And as I said again before, make sure you switch this to lifetime earnings. So as an example, there was a live that I did about a month ago, and it was why you should go live when you just have 50 subscribers. And the most important time here for monetization is, check this out here. Let's see, oh, sorry, my camera's having difficulty focusing, so let me see. Here we go. So that live, a month old, got 18 watch hours. But check this out. The live from just the other day, 200 subscribers celebration, has already 12 watch hours. And then if you also move over here to subscribers, is just the lives were able to get me some additional subscribers as well. Now, what I thought I'd do is also share some other interesting information. So here, let's take a look at my other, this will be easier to see here, hopefully. Hang on, let me put this up. Can you see this? Okay, what's interesting is this is on the live that I was just on a couple days ago. And in terms of the analytics, let's take a look. What's really interesting is what YouTube is tracking. So what it says here is concurrent viewers. This means at any given time in the live, it said at its peak, we had 9 people. So what's interesting is you don't have to have a lot of people at your party. So this was only 9 people. And I say only with love in my heart because 9 is a decent cocktail party. And if you actually, like, I got busy and I am, if you don't know my channel already, I am the most non-tech person. That's why you're not seeing a screencast. You're just seeing me just tape my phone. Is that what's most amazing, like what was happening in the chat is I didn't know that it doesn't automatically scroll. So I just assumed the chat wasn't moving. But actually what was happening with 9 people is it was like a cocktail party and everyone was just having a grand old time while I was talking. So I really appreciate everyone for chatting away, sharing such good vibes. North Pole Alaska Katie was saying that she really enjoyed it. And I think that was what was so fabulous, is that the amount of good information that was also being shared off chat was interesting. So YouTube is tracking also. You figure this must be important because they are tracking this. It says chat messages and reactions while live. There were 11,000 interactions. So if you click on this, what was happening is, I can't believe this. This is just like such a, what I consider a small live. There's 9 people. I was on for, I think, at more than an hour and a half, maybe an hour 40 minutes. There was a lot going on. There was 11,000 interactions, and I'm sorry this is fuzzy, but I'll see if I can read this for you. 282 chat messages, and then 11,000 reactions. So what they mean by that, they even tell you what they were tracking. So thank you, Tashmir and Draven. There were 8,000 heart boops. There were those confettis, 2,000. And then if you keep going down, they even tracked all the other little, it's hard to read these emojis here. Oh, the 100s, the happy faces, and all those other interactions. So you know that if YouTube programmed these in, that it must have significance. So that was just on that one, live. So anyways, this was just a quick video to just say thank you to everyone who came on the live. It was just so wonderful to see everyone interacting, and I'll talk to you soon.